So it's the end of strawberry picking season, and after having so much fun last year, we couldn't miss out. But before heading to the strawberry fields, we stopped by to pick some Brussels sprouts, and it turned out to be the highlight of our day. I had no idea Brussels sprouts grew so tall.
Too hard? If it's too hard, don't do it.
I didn't.
Come on. Next, come this way.
I got 2 Brussels sprouts. Look how many Brussels sprouts I got.
The kids had an amazing time picking them, and this fun experience actually got them to try eating the sprouts later.
How is it?
Good.
Yummy? Can I have some too? Or is it so yummy?
They're still a bit cautious, but it's a big step forward. Now there's this yummy burnt Brussels sprouts dish at a nearby Italian restaurant that I always order. I decided to make it at home with a twist. I'm going to brush the sprouts with gochujang sauce. Meanwhile, hubby was busy smoking picanha. They got a little too burnt. Still, I couldn't believe how delicious everything turned out. The key is to use a generous amount of oil to get that crispy burnt finish. We loved it so much that we made it again a few days later. I have a feeling this dish is going to become a staple in our home. I hope you enjoyed this video and click that subscribe button for more fun and yummy food.